Australian meat pie. Begin with 1 medium onion. Remove and discard the ends. Slice the onion. Dice the onion. Two garlic cloves. Remove and discard the skin. Chop the garlic. Mince the garlic. Four button mushrooms. Slice the mushrooms into a 1/4 inch thick. Dice the mushrooms. One carrot. Remove and discard the tip. Grate the carrot until you have around 1 cup. In a pan on medium heat, add 2 tablespoons cooking oil, when the oil is hot, add the onion, cook the onion until it is sweating. This should be around 3 minutes. Add the garlic. Cook until the onion starts to brown. 1 pound lean ground beef, if the meat has any pink, it is not ready. Cook until nicely browned. One cup red wine, half a teaspoon nutmeg, half a teaspoon paprika, mushrooms, carrots, mix. In a small pot on high heat, add 1 cup water. Bring to a boil. 4 tablespoons instant brown gravy. Turn off the heat. 2 tablespoons tomato paste. Whisk until there are no lumps. Pour the gravy into the meat. Mix well. Remove from heat when it is a desired consistency. Four pie crusts. Flatten 1 pie crust at a time. Using a 4-inch ring, create the bottom pie shell. Tuck each pie crust into the base. Leave about a 1/4 inch of crust over the edge. This will attach to the top layer when cooking. Scoop the meat into each pie. The meat should be level to the crust. Do not put too much or it will bubble over. Unroll the next 2 sheets. Using a 3-inch ring, create the top of the pie shells. Place the top of the pie shell on each pie. Using a fork, crimp the top to the bottom. Put 5 holes on the top center of each pie crust using a toothpick. Place both muffin trays on a cookie sheet to catch any possible drip. 1 medium egg. Beat the egg. Brush the beaten egg onto the pie crust. Place in oven for 20 minutes. Allow the pies to cool enough to handle. This pie is best served as a floater on top of a pea soup. Garnish with ketchup. For a condensed version, please look at the description under this video. Enjoy your Australian meat pie.